In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create a Target online account. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and head over to the official website of Target. Type in target.com. Once you're in its official website, click on the option sign in or create account. You'll be directed to this page. Here, type in your email or phone number, then click on continue. In the next page, you'll need to fill in these details. Enter your first name, last name, a valid email address, create a strong password, and enter your phone number if requested. Review the terms and conditions and privacy policy, then click on create account. Now you'll need to verify your phone number or the email address. You will be receiving code. Check your mail or phone number, then type in that code over there. Once you verify that, your account will be created. Now you can provide your credentials, the password and the email address or phone number, and with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily create a Target online account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.